Today, I'm gonna show you how to make yakisoba. Yakisoba is a popular Japanese street food.
Yakisoba means stir-fried noodles. We often see yakisoba at stalls at festivals.
I made yakisoba for my classmates and teacher in Canada when I was studying there. My teacher was so impressed, saying that I should open a restaurant, but it's super easy to make.
To make yakisoba, please go to an Asian supermarket to get nama yakisoba, stir-fried noodles with seasoning. The red one is sauce-based seasoning, which is the most popular one. The common ingredients are cabbage, onions, carrots, sprouts, and sliced pork. Today, I'm gonna use shiitake mushrooms instead of cabbage and pork. Cut vegetables. Stir-fry vegetables for 1 minute. Add salt. Put vegetables aside in the pan and place noodles next to them. Steam noodles and vegetable with medium heat for 4 minutes. Unwrap the noodles well. Sprinkle seasoning on the noodles. Mix seasoning and noodles well. Mix everything all together. That's it! It's super easy and yummy. You can prepare yakisoba within 10 minutes. Why don't you try it?